Hello there. Welcome to another edition of Next Friction Zone. I have an important announcement to make. Viking Bags has contacted me and they asked me if I would be willing to review some of their products, and I said yes, why not? So they'll be sending me a Sissy bag and a Sissy Bar for me to check out. It should be really fun. I'm gonna get this in a couple of days, and I'm gonna I'll post another video later talking about everything, the installation process, the quality of the product, and most importantly, how it affects the handling on the bike. So it should be very fun. For those of you guys who don't know, Viking Bags is probably the most, if not one of the biggest premier sellers and makers of motorcycle accessories. Their main product line is Sissy bags, but I'm sorry, saddle bags. But it's not only that. So they have saddle bags, side bags, Sissy bags, and they also have hardware, handlebars, fairings, Sissy bars. They have a bunch of stuff. So yeah, this should be a lot of fun. Stay tuned, and hopefully on the next video that I upload, you'll get to see the product and the installation process of it. So yeah, talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.